Have you ever looked at your nails closely? I mean, really looked at them? What if I told you that those tiny little clues on your nails might be trying to warn you about serious health problems right now? Most people ignore them, but doctors don't, because sometimes your nails are the first place the body shows signs of disease. Let's start with something subtle but shocking: horizontal lines across the nails. These are called Bowes lines, and while they might just look like ridges, they could be signaling something much more serious like diabetes, zinc deficiency, or even a past infection that impacted your body's ability to grow the nail properly. Imagine your nails freezing mid-growth. That's how serious these lines can be. Now take a look at your nail color. Are they pale or almost white? That's not normal. Pale or white nails can be a sign of anemia, liver disease, or even heart failure. When the body isn't pumping enough blood or lacks iron, your nails lose their pinkish glow. They start to look ghostly. And if that's happening, your body could be struggling in silence. Another warning sign: yellow nails. Sure, stained nails from nail polish are one thing, but if the yellow color stays and your nails thicken or grow slowly, that might be a signal of a fungal infection, or even something more alarming like respiratory issues or diabetes. Yes, your nails might be the first to tell you that your lungs or sugar levels are in trouble. Ever notice spoon-shaped nails that curve upward like they're trying to hold water? That condition is called koilonychia, and it's more than just a weird nail shape. It's often linked to iron deficiency anemia, or hemochromatosis, which is when your body absorbs too much iron. This is a red flag doctors take seriously. Let's talk about something even more serious: dark lines running vertically under your nails. While sometimes this can be harmless in people with darker skin tones, a sudden appearance, especially in just one nail, could be a sign of subungual melanoma, a rare but dangerous skin cancer. If you see this, don't wait. See a doctor immediately. Now here's one you might have overlooked: clubbing of the nails. That's when your fingertips get rounder and the nails curve down and become shiny. This could be a signal of lung problems, heart disease, or even inflammatory bowel conditions. It's your body trying to push more oxygen to your fingers, and that alone should alarm you. You see, your nails aren't just decoration. They're like health monitors sitting right at your fingertips. You don't need fancy tests to spot early warnings. Your body is already trying to speak to you. You just need to know how to listen. If you've noticed any of these signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Get it checked. Catching health issues early can be life-saving, and your nails might just be the reason you catch it in time. So next time you're casually glancing at your hands, remember, those small changes in your nails might be telling a much bigger story about what's going on inside your body. Don't brush them off. These signs might seem harmless, but they could be early warnings your body is desperately trying to give you. Whether it's your heart, lungs, liver, or even your blood, your nails are like tiny messengers carrying signals about your health. Ignoring them might mean missing the chance to catch something early, something that could change or even save your life. So take a moment today. Look at your nails. Check for anything unusual. And if something doesn't feel right, don't wait. Talk to a doctor. And most importantly, share this video with someone you care about. Because if their body is trying to warn them too, this video might be the thing that helps them listen in time. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever seen any of these signs in your own nails? Most people don't realize their body's been dropping hints for years. So share this video with someone who might need to look at their hands a little closer today. You might just help them catch something in time.